Ngila discuss but newly appointed National President Dr. Choba Au ngila highlights you ya ka happening but biasa ki news statement gini ay tay urulatif ba ke kasong pat ha nongīalam juga BJP begini siyang lang baro begini aga joint statement tela ka BJP kay numo Dr. Choba Au from the day one mo ya kendu ingi adi mula cha appoint sa tunggumu national vice president sa tunggumu in charge ng Meghalaya te ulah tip lu kita ki te ulah hin yang iru ba hindi manyo ya ka complain not verbally but in writing then accordingly un satika pat ka central leaders but accordingly so kapor kalai bade benweng no wara do way pat kanang balaban lumban lang biang ya pro gitu kibala kibadun ka misunderstanding lani ka dictatorship ko bule but ki wi musnan ngin lumngin lang biang kibaro te this way once the leadership is changed ka party ru kala sang ban guru biang kumalong munswa kada gini sisa norba kumplai i leaders ko BJP na ru boy Gente Hills West Hill, Shillong, pun wilayah phet. Hadin garukom membiang garukom tim, garukom penyajo presiden ba Anas Mauri. The series of jadi kendu complain lah receive very soon in court meeting no. But ka statement buat cimesar kadai not only 50% more than nearly 75 to 80%. Ubalik way are sulong usang way ar dari kumbuka long mensura ka parti ka chongsit ba ka office ya dap mam mentar ka dekha ba bunu musnat su panyale BJP day by day sinking kala nangam hapo ka jingalam jong ba Anas Mauri president ka statement by UCM it's true the statement which has been given by the honorable chief minister Meghalaya Conrad Sangma it's a ground reality it's a fact it's not a surprise thing. Because as a chief minister, he's the head of the state, he's the father of the MDA government. You have got every right to give any statement or suggestion. Because, as I have said earlier, from the day one, the central leaders, they have given us the signal, the directive that both of us, me and ALHEC, we should support the MDA government led by the Chief Minister Conrad Sangma. So anything, if we have to pull from the government, who is he to give the statement? He's a mere president selected by manipulation. Selected by the manipulation. I'm elected by the Constitution of India, by the people of my constituency, 19th Century law.